Blah. Good morning, guys. Brooks here. We have here our vortex generator. I think you can see right here. I'm about to do this in my kitchen because apparently it didn't come taped, so I have to tape it myself. So let's get this thing started. Just look at my little Doge right here. What's up, little man? Alright guys, after like a good 20 minutes, we finally taped it up. And it looks pretty good. We're gonna go and try to fit it in the car. And see where we gotta put more tape, because we still got a little bit more. So I'm gonna like double strings it. Especially like the top part. Alright, so let's go. Alright guys, we're outside. And we're about to get it on the roof. Might be a little tricky, but gotta find a way how to do it. Now I did do like a couple extra tapes like around here, because that's mostly where the force is gonna come from. Not really much the back. So I still have a couple more tape. I'm just gonna tape around here, and then after that I'm just gonna stick around on the roof. Don't know how good it's gonna come out, but it's better than no angles at all, really. We're gonna get ready to put it on. Alright, so now that I have it on, I'm just gonna see. Alright, yeah, it seems pretty good to me. See this side right here? Yep. Alright, I'm gonna just push it down now. Go around. Alright, looks pretty good to me. That, guys, looks pretty good to me. You always do want to have some extra tape right here, because the air does go in. And I make sure to put extra on it. So we should be good. Doesn't even move. Blah. There you go. Now look how good it looks with a vortex generator on it. Just a little visual mod. Make it look a little more aggressive. Looks pretty nice. Kind of don't like this part that's sticking out, but I mean, what can you do? You want your car to look good? Well, there it is. Let's look at the visors. And then now we have our grill off, so it's looking even meaner with the grill off. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. Literally pretty straightforward how to install this, and the spider's still bugging me. She wanted to tag me. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video, guys. I'm just gonna leave the spider be, and I suppose, guys, have a good one.